your own life, your own family, and your own health. Someone who can't be gentle-hearted is bitter and harsh. People who can't be gentle definitely have influence. They determine your health, determine your studies, determine whether your job advances or not, determine your finances, determine your future, your plans achieve that. That's it. Determine the ministry, service, determine the church, and many things. So, let's grasp the word of God to make a gentle heart. Blessed are you if you open your heart. You will possess the earth. You will master the situation. You will receive extraordinary blessings. You will please the heart of God. You will be used by God extraordinarily, forgiven, restored, lifted, used extraordinarily.